Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. Welcome to today's Brain Break, which is brought to you by Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. So around this time of year, we often look for gifts that we can make or buy for people that we love. And it's a good thing to remember the animals that we love as well, because there are actually some really simple treats that you can make for your pets at home that don't actually take a lot of work, that use pretty simple ingredients, and that your pets are sure to love. So what I'm gonna do today is show you how to make some no-bake dog treats. Now, one quick note before you make these treats, you do want to make sure that you check with your pet's veterinarian to make sure that the ingredients in this particular recipe won't upset their tummy. These are made specifically for dogs, so we are using organic ingredients. We're also using ingredients that don't have things like added sugar and salt. But as long as your veterinarian says it's okay for your dog, I know they're gonna love these treats. For this recipe, you will need a half a cup of pumpkin puree, half a cup unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup of peanut butter with no sugar or salt, 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, 1 strip of bacon that's been cooked, and about 2½ cups of rolled oats. You will also need a bowl and a mixing spoon or fork to help you mash your ingredients together, some measuring cups, parchment or waxed paper, and a tray for your food. Start off by stirring your pumpkin, applesauce, peanut butter, and yogurt together in a bowl. Take your piece of cooked bacon and tear it into small strips. Stir in the bacon. Pour in about 1.5 cups of oats and pour the rest out into your tray or onto a plate. If your puppy food is a little bit too thin, you can add in some more oats for a better consistency. All right, time to get a little bit messy. Making sure your hands are very clean. Grab a small amount of the puppy food, roll it into a ball, just like this, and then roll it in the extra oats. Place it on a piece of parchment paper and keep going until all of your puppy treats are made. When you're all done making your dog treats, go ahead and put them in the freezer for about 30 minutes, just until they set. After that, you can put them in an airtight container and store them in the fridge for up to a week. All right, Wally, did you have fun? Are you ready for your treat? Ready? Such amazing self-control this dog has. I can smell it, and I'll be honest, it actually smells kind of good, but I'll leave it for the puppy. So thank you very much, everybody, for joining us for today's Brain Break, brought to you by Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. If you liked this video, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so you can see more great videos from all of us here at Children's Museum Houston. In the meantime, I'm Danny, coming to you from Kidtropolis. I hope you all have a great holiday season, and we'll see you all soon. Bye. Ruff.